This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 10, Building an App Color Sleuth, Part 9. You try it. Make a random color. First, make the base color be a string, which is something in quotes, right? With random values in it rather than hard-coded. And hard-coded means that in a string I would write the number literally, so like all in quotes with 250 or something like that. Add 20 to each of the RGB values to make diff color. Okay, so make the base color be a string with random values added to it. Got it? And then here is the code they were using. And we're probably going to do this exactly, right? Variable, except, I guess I'll use single letter variables. I do not like to do that. Be careful with that in programming because you want your variables to be clear. I would normally have put green, red, yellow, or red, green, blue for my variables, but okay. So now I'm going to put these above color diff because we're going to use them in color diff. And then I'm going to name my variables just like they did. RGB. And then I am going to go ahead and use math random. Boop. Boop. And boop. And then we're going 0 to 225 or 235 because as Alexis and Michael had stated in the last one, if we add 20 to it each time to make the color random, if we go to 225, if we went all the way to 255, which is the max number, it would be indistinguishable from the other colors because you want some slight difference. So we're going to limit it to 235. And here is the code they discussed to make the different color. Yeah, okay. And then they reassign the value. Got it. So we're going to put all of this up here because it's going to need to be used here as well. So now for our base color, RGB, and then for color difference, what they were doing is, and you could even do with a variable R plus 20, but I'm going to do as they showed, which is to reassign each of these variables the same thing it was, but adding 20, right? So whatever red was originally when random number run, say it was 75, now R will be, so say R was 75 when this ran, now it will be 75 plus 20, so R will be 95, right? So R equals R plus 20, G equals G plus 20, and B equals B plus 20. All right, and now let's put these to use down here. Okay, so we'll add 20 to each of those. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's kind of cool. Bah! Neat. Tricky, tricky. Ooh, that one looks very close. Awesome. One more time. Yeah. All right, let's keep going.